In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add custom code to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. Whether it's for integrating a new widget, video, or any other feature that requires custom code, this step-by-step guide will make the process effortless and straightforward. Let's get started by first logging into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.hostinger.com. Once there, look for the Login option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and when prompted, enter your login credentials. If you're logging in for the first time today, ensure you have your information handy. This will give you access to your dashboard, which is a central hub for managing all of your websites. From here, select the website you wish to edit. After making your selection, click on the Edit Website button. This will launch the website editor, allowing you to make necessary changes to your site. Next, let's move on to incorporating the custom code, which is achieved by adding an embed code block. In the editor, you'll find a left sidebar filled with various elements you can add to your site. Locate the option labeled Add Elements. Clicking this will reveal numerous choices. Scroll through them until you find Embed Code. When you see it, drag the embed code block directly onto the part of your page where you'd like the custom code to manifest. Positioning is crucial, so choose the spot that best fits the design and functionality you're aiming for. Once your embed code block is in place, you'll need to insert your specific code. Click on the block you just added and then click Enter Code, which should appear near your selection. This will open an editor where you can paste your HTML, iframe, or any third-party widget code that you've prepared beforehand. You may have acquired this from a service provider or created it yourself, but in any case, ensure the code is copied accurately to avoid any errors. Before finalizing everything, there's an opportunity to preview your work. Click Preview to see how the embedded code will appear on your site. This is your chance to verify that everything is functioning as intended and that the appearance is up to your standards. If the preview reveals the desired results, you can proceed with publishing your changes. Simply click Publish to make the custom code live on your website. This action updates your site instantly, allowing visitors to experience the newly integrated feature right away. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're able to enhance your website's capabilities efficiently with custom code using Hostinger's intuitive platform. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding.